Hi, this is Bill. So on this demo, we'll be showing you about knowledge management. So to navigate to knowledge management, you just need to type in knowledge. And as I scroll up, the knowledge management is part of the platform. It's a platform capability and it's a module of its own. So from here, you could create articles and you could do some feedback management. So you could basically manage the article, get some feedback, and be able to improve it. And the structure is it starts with a knowledge block, right? I mean, a knowledge base, right? So the knowledge base contains all the articles, right? So as we navigate, it comes like an umbrella, right? So let's give an example as IT as the umbrella. And as we drill down on the knowledge base, which is IT, it will show us all the articles within the IT knowledge base, right? So as I scroll down, you will see here all the knowledge articles, right? So at what state it is, on what version. So the good thing is you have quality management, right? So it could be on the draft state, published state, right? So let's open the workflow, right? And is it on the review, right? And if you need to implement some modifications, right? So it will turn into draft state, right? And you will see a point one something, right? So it means that there's a view or a version which is not yet published, right? And it will kick in a number of steps inside the workflow as I scroll up, right? So all of the box, right? So you get to have two at the moment. You could have publishing and retiring, right? So as we navigate here, you'll see there's a knowledge approval publish, right? And as I delete it and do a search, right? So there's a couple of workflows already available that you could utilize. So it could be an instant publish, or it could go through an approval, right, based on the owner of the article, right? As we navigate further, so you could manage who can read, right, who can contribute, and so on. So one of the great things here is basically as you categorize, right, and as you basically put more structure into your knowledge, it will be available for only a certain people, right? Certain group, personas, rules, and will it be viewable, searchable? So it will basically give you some confidentiality, right? Confidentiality of the information as we basically or as you publish it and make it available to your end users, right? So now I just drilled down to one of the knowledge articles under knowledge base. So you'll see here the information, right? So this is the article body, right? And I could basically check this out and do some modifications. And as I scroll down, you will see here what topic does it come in. So it gives you the ability to basically be more searchable, and you could find it as you build more structure. Then it could sit down on multiple platform features of ServiceNow, like search, right? It could be search via the portal, right? It could be AI or machine learning is going to come in where it could provide suggested steps, suggested recommended solutions, right? And it could also act as an incident deflection, right? So basically, has information or data can be realized or utilized as well all throughout, depending on the use case. So this is knowledge article, right? So this is knowledge base. So let us go to, let's say, knowledge article. So let's have a look. So let's create a new one. So upon creating a new one, right, you will house it on the knowledge base, right? And basically add a short description. And as you do that, right, so you could see here the HTML capability of creating an article or information, right? So we could put an image, a video, right, or text, right, depending on your needs, right? And as you basically create this, right, then it will now be available to the particular users that you also will declare, right? And of course, before this become published, it will go through a workflow, right? And let's give you an example, right? Let's go to knowledge base. So it will go through a workflow. If I house it to an IT uh, knowledge base, right? So it will go through this workflow, right? To be able to get it running. Okay. So I hope I managed to help you what um, knowledge management is in ServiceNow. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you on my next video.